Alright, so I have an appointment in like 7 minutes, but I'm gonna play a little bit more of Alan Wake. Oh crap. What is that? The darkness was... her... what? Oh, darkness wears her face. I'm so confused. Die! Oh, I hate you! Oh god. Crap. Ow. Where are you? Come on, come on. That's what I thought. I was trying to read. Do not try to chop me with an axe while I'm reading. Okay, what's this? So the darkness wears her face. Am I gonna have to like kill Alice or Rose or someone? Is that what's going on here? Is that what's gonna happen? Yeah, reload. Why not? What is that? Yeah! Hunting rifle. Much better. What is up here? Can I jump on the boxes? Is there a secret? Can I get an achievement? Oh, there's stuff behind here. Right? Manuscript page! Wake feels the dark presence.
Shadows stirred and the wind picked up as I ran through the forest. I felt the dark presence turning its gaze toward me.
That's fascinating.
Then the moonlight was blotted out by dark shadows that raced violently across the ground, moving too swiftly to be natural. Darkness gathered between the trees.
So it's not made of carbon.
No
or the other two elements that make something organic. I take science. I know stuff. Not a complete moron. Okay. How do I get out of here? Up here? Perfect. I'm glad those boxes are conveniently there. Alright. I'm coming. For you. I don't even remember this. Oh yeah, I'm at the mill. Right. Can I open this? No? Oh, how convenient is that? Look at all the conveniences. Alan, you're so lucky. Someone out here loves you. And it's not your wife. I can't get up. There. Got it. That was more difficult than it had to be. Yeah. Yeah. I've got batteries now. And a revolver ammo. Oh! Shh. Oh. Hi, buddy. Oh, come on. I reloaded already. I already went through this. I already went through this process. Holy crap. I've already done this. Die! Die! Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. No, 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 no! I'm out of hunting rifle ammo already. No! Why are these guys so hard to kill? Oh my god. There we go. That took up almost all my ammo. Probably unnecessarily. Oh, there's another light. Perfect. Run. Run like the idiot you are, Alan. Oh, wonderful. Ta-ta. I have flares too. I never use them though. Okay, so I have to go in here. Oh shit. Please no. I love all of you. I love you. That's what they need, is just love. All you need is love. Okay, that guy needs a little more than love. That guy needs a little more than love! Oh my god! He needs more than love! Sometimes all you need is a revolver to the face! And that doesn't kill me. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger. Huh. So that killed me. So I'm not stronger now. That was stressful. Okay, one more try and then I really actually have to go. Holy crap. You really have to go. Really have to go. Okay, let's do this. One more try. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Let's do this. I'm your friend. I'm wasting my battery for my flashlight. I'm a moron. Hi, buddy. Look at you. Look at you and your chainsaw. Why is my weapon not reloaded? So those guys die easily. I like them. I like you. Thank you, buddy. But you... Flare! Where is he? He can't get past the flare. Oh, that's unfortunate for you. No. Yes! You are so dead! You're so dead! I will kill you! You're so dead. Yes! I did it! I did it! Make it to the checkpoint. Let's do this. Let's do this, because I have to go now. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Please be checkpoint. Yep, campgrounds. Wonderful. Checkpoint time. There's a light up there. Reload your weapon. Because that seems to be a problem. Alright. Checkpoint reached. I have to go. That was awesome. Chainsaw guy wasn't as scary as I thought he was. Not as scary as Mercenaries.